If your RV's furnace is blowing cold air, it may be due to several reasons. One common cause is insufficient propane, which can be easily addressed by verifying that you have enough gas and refilling the tanks if necessary. Another possible reason is clogged air filters, which can restrict airflow and cause the furnace to overheat and shut off. This can be identified by an initial burst of warm air followed by cold air, in which case the air filters should be cleaned or replaced. A damaged sail switch can also be the culprit, as it is responsible for allowing warm air to come out when the furnace's fan spins to full speed. Replacing a damaged sail switch is relatively simple. Start by turning off the gas supply and removing the furnace's fuse. Then access the sail switch. Unscrew the old one, clean out any debris, and install the replacement part. After reassembling the heater and restoring power and gas, test the new sail switch to ensure it is working properly. By checking these potential causes, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your RV's furnace blowing warm air again.